In this video, we're going to do another sequence type question that we're going to solve. So if we have a problem like this that says type the next number in the sequence, and we have a set of numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28, and then question mark. So this is the next number we need to find, right? So step one, and make sure to listen to all the steps, is find the pattern. Look at how much to add to each number to get the next number. So this is very important here. So let's look at the sequence of numbers and then try to figure out how they're changing from one number to the next. So if we start with 1, to get 3 you add 2. So you just write that in. Then we go from 3 to 6. Well, what happens for you to get from 3 to 6? Well, you have to add 3. So let's write that in. Then to go from 6 to 10, you add 4. Let's write that in. Then you continue. So from 10 to 15, you have to add 5. From 15 to 21, you add 6. From 21 to 28, you add 7. So you can definitely see a pattern here. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, and then plus question mark. The amount you add increases by 1 each time. So that's the rule. So you add 8 to 28 to find the next number, right? So 28 plus 8 equals 36. So the next number is 36. So let's put that in. So here's the question mark is plus 8, and you add 8 to 28 to get 36. And that's the next number in the sequence. And I have a few videos related to this topic, so you could check those out in the description below. As well, I have an ebook. You could download the ebook and follow along each lesson in the ebook.